What's up guys, welcome to Apex, thanks for tuning in. Here we have got the Galaxy Watch 7 and the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and in this video I'm going to show you an amazing feature which you guys might be interested in using. This feature is available not only on the Galaxy Watch 7 series, we also have the Galaxy Watch 6 series here and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. These watches also have got this feature. I'm talking about the universal gesture feature on the Galaxy watches. Let me explain how exactly this feature works. Now for this demo, I will use the Galaxy Watch Ultra here. Let me just go to the settings and let's go to accessibility here. Now here we have got interaction and dexterity. Let me tap on this. You see we have got universal gesture which is turned off. Let me open this. Now I'll turn this on. It says while universal gestures is on, gesture in settings, buttons and gestures will be turned off temporarily. So let me tap on OK. Universal gestures need to observe your actions, receive notifications when you are interacting with an app. Let me tap on OK. Now it is turned on. It says use gestures to control your watch. So using this feature, we will be able to control the watch without using the second hand. So basically with gestures, we can control the entire watch. Now you can see we have got gestures here. Let me tap on this. It says pinch gesture for next item, double pinch for previous item, make a fist to tap, make a fist twice for the action menu, and we can do back and forth gesture to go to the previous screen. Now let me just demonstrate this feature for you guys. Let's go to the home. Let me wear the watch now. Let's go ahead. Now to activate this feature, we will have to clench our fist twice. You see this yellow circle indicates the universal gesture being active. Now clenching my fist twice will bring the action menu. You see we have got the action menu there. Now I'll just do this action again. You see it takes me to the app tray. Now I can do a pinch gesture here. You see it is selecting an application. Now I can do this again to go to the next application. You see I can keep doing this to hover on different applications. Now let's say I want to go back, then I can do a double pinch gesture. You see it moves back or it hovers back to the previous icon. Let me do this again. You see it has gone to the health application. Now to select this application, I'll have to clench my fist once. You see the application is opening up. Now I can pinch once to go to the next option. Like energy score, I have got steps. Now if I want to go back, I can double pinch and again I can double pinch. Now here if I double pinch again, it will go to the bottom of the screen. You see it has gone to the settings. If I pinch again once, it will go to the top of the screen. Now let me clench my fist twice. Let's see what happens. You see we have got the action menu. I will go to the next button here. You see we got scroll down. And when I fist again, you see it scrolls down. And using this action menu, if I want to scroll up, I can pinch again once. It will go to the scroll up option. Now I will clench my fist once to scroll up and I can go to the next option. You see it is auto scroll. I will activate this. You see slowly it will start auto scrolling on the screen. This is just amazing. Now I can just pinch once to stop this. And I can again activate the action menu and pinch once and keep pinching for the next option. If you want to auto scroll up, you can do that. And we have got another option here, go to the top. Let me go to the top now. You see it has gone straight to the top. Now let me activate this action menu again. We've got gesture option here. Let me activate this. You see we have got previous action menu, swipe left, swipe right, swipe up, swipe down, touch and hold. Now these options we have got, let's say if I want to touch and hold here, let's activate this, let's see what happens. You see now it is a touch and hold. You see it has gone to the next menu option. Now let me just activate the action menu again. Let's go to the app tray now. You see it has directly taken me to the app tray. Now this is how the universal gesture works. We will be able to easily handle the watch without using the second hand. We will be able to hover on the screen and select the options that we want, move to the next option, scroll the screen down or up. You can do multiple different options using just one hand using this particular universal gestures. Now at the moment this feature is not perfect. Samsung probably is still working on this feature. Sometimes we do get stuck in some situations where we will not know what gestures to use to execute some actions. So it is a little difficult to use, but you will get used to it if you start using this. This will be very useful, especially if you want to use the watch in just one hand. Let's say you're doing something with your right hand and you're not able to touch the watch, then you can easily activate this gesture and start using it. If you're a cyclist, this will be very useful. And let's say if someone is impaired and if he or she is not able to use the watch in both the hands, then you can activate universal gestures to use the watch in one hand. So there are different use case scenarios, and this feature is going to be very useful for a lot of people out there. You can go ahead and check it out and try to get hold of this feature. That's all I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I have already posted the battery test results of the Galaxy Watch Ultra. You can go ahead and check out the channel, or you can check out the link here in the description. And I'm also posting a review about this watch, so stay tuned for that video. And there are a few more contents coming up on the Galaxy Watch 7 as well as the Galaxy Watch Ultra. So stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if you find this video informative. That's all I have here in this video. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.